guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have this UNICE curly wig and I colored it all by myself. And if you can see, I try to get like an ombre effect going on. So like up here on the top is a little lighter color. I use the color French Cognac on top, and then on the bottom that's Paprika. It's like more of a reddish orange. So I try to get a little ombre going on, and I'm really happy with how it came out. Oh, and let me tell you guys some specs about the wig. So I thought that it would be a fake scalp 4x4 wig, right? That's what it looks like. But it's actually a T-part wig. I feel bamboozled, but I probably didn't read the description of the wig when the company was messaging me. So like between here that's the amount of parting space you have. Like if you can see closely, those are all tracks. That's all tracks and stuff. Like the parting space is like, you see how that there's lace there, but that's tracks. The parting space is literally, it'll make more sense when I'm like applying it. The parting space is literally that big. So I decided to just make a voiceover because this video ended up being an hour long. Like it took me forever to freaking edit this. But so yeah, so as I'm parting there, you can see that's where you can see the fake scalp, and you don't see the netting as much where the part is. Like if you compare how the lace looks against my skin, like compare that to how the part looks. The part looks really clean, and it's because of the fake scalp. But where I'm parting is literally the only place you can part it because it's a T-part wig. So it's really limited parting. And I'm going to just continue talking about what I was talking about in the video, but I ended up muting. I was reading about Chloe Ting. So I ended up throwing up because Chloe mother effing Ting is a crazy woman. Like, nah, like she really pushes the limits, and I threw up. The first time I ever tried a Chloe Ting like workout, I was so sore, and of course you're gonna be sore when you're working out, but it was like unbearable, like sick type of sore, like my body hurt to the touch. But this time I just literally threw up. Like I get nauseous when I do ab workouts, but this I threw up. I'm gonna show you guys my new way of doing my eyebrows, and it takes like 5 minutes. Literally 5 minutes is short to me. Milk mascara, a gel, and a concealer. That's all you need. And a concealing brush to like blend it out, whatever. So I actually started doing this technique by accident because it's nothing new. It's basically the same as using a tinted eyebrow gel. And wait, watch as I get the mascara in my wig. Oh my god, I had to wipe it out with a makeup wipe. I was so shook. But yeah, I came up with this like technique, or at least I should say I started doing this technique because I could not find my spoolie the day of graduation. Mind you, it was virtual graduation, so I just wanted to take pictures. It was nothing crazy. So I'm like, okay, a mascara wand is pretty similar to a spoolie, so I wiped off as much makeup as I could off of my mascara and used that as a spoolie to try to blend my eyebrows out. And my sister and my mom were like, oh my god, your eyebrows look so good. But I hated it. Of course, everyone's always their hardest critic, but that's what I just started doing. But yeah, I started, like, I don't know, recently I've just been trying out my older techniques of makeup, like doing what I used to do when I didn't know more about makeup, and doing it now, and like seeing how I can tweak it, because honestly there's no rules to makeup. Makeup has 0 rules. Like, what are rules? First of all, I'm a Sagittarius. I don't get along with rules. I just do whatever you think looks good. Makeup, it's makeup, and it's like, come on, no rules. Okay, I didn't mention this before, but this wig is actually transparent lace. So here I just have got to be glue on the little rat tail, and I'm pushing it in to make the lace melt a little bit more, and I'm pulling out some hair to make some fake baby hairs. And I want to say, like, HD and transparent lace are like really good, especially for beginners. Even though it's a little bit more expensive, it's like it just makes doing your hair so much easier because the lace isn't as noticeable because it's transparent, or if you have HD lace as well. So like the little mistakes you can't really see. Of course it's fabric, so you'll see it if you're like mad close, but it gives it a more natural finish, if that makes sense. real quick. So I wet the hair. This is from my sister's hair company, and I freaking love using this on my wigs and even my real hair instead of like actual oil, because oil can like weigh down your hair. But like a hair serum, it has like the same benefits, but it's so lightweight and it makes my hair shine so nice, and it's perfect for when you're actually trying to style your hair. So it's like oils, I wouldn't recommend using oils to style your hair, more so for like moisturizing and stuff and like sealing in the moisture. But serums do like both, kinda. And if you already see that shine coming through, this wig is so beautiful. You see the definition already? Like, this is way bigger, and it's still defined, just more volume. And this is like super defined but super flat. My phone ran out of storage. This is why I need a camera. But I was saying I like to put, it don't matter. This is setting spray I got from Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree has everything. Like, I'm low-key obsessed. Okay guys, so this is what the hair looks like after a full day of being out. Not a full day, but after a day of being out, and it fully dried, and I picked it out a little bit. So it can get really big, and I do want to like fully like comb it out and have a little scissor moment, but not right now. Just wanted to show how like big it could get. Okay guys, really quick before I run out of storage again, thank you guys so much for watching. This was how I dyed this hair and how I colored and installed it and everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I feel like I'm talking at 10 miles per hour. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter. Any questions, just ask in the description. Thank you, UNICE Hair, so much for sending me this hair. I love it so much. 10 out of 10. I have no complaints about this hair. It was so easy to bleach and color, and yeah.